In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your ZyXEL router to your computer using an Ethernet cable. This is an easy and trustworthy method for establishing a stable internet connection. Look for the Ethernet ports on your router, which are usually marked LAN. They're typically found on the back, and you'll often find 2 to 4 of them for connecting various devices. Next, plug one end of an Ethernet cable into the LAN port on your router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your computer's port, typically found on the side of laptops or at the back of desktop computers. Your computer should recognize the connection automatically. If it's not working, make sure your router is powered on and configured properly. In the video description, you'll find a tutorial on optimizing your ZyXEL router for better performance, as well as other helpful guides. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.